Hello, Ma'am Sir. To all employers in Hong Kong, have a good day. My name is Remelin Ballesteros. I'm 41 years old. I live in Barangay 55A Barit, Lawag City, Ilocos Norte. I was born in November 5, 1982. I'm high school graduate. I'm married. I have 4 children, aged 19, 17, and my twins is 15 years old. I have kind, respect, honest, and hardworking. I'm working in UAE before for 10 years in one employer. Since 2014 to 2024. My daily routine, Ma'am Sir: cleaning house, ironing, washing, cooking, and take care of good for children. I want to working in Hong Kong because I want to support my family needs. Madam Sir, if you select me, I will do my best, and I will promise to finish my contract and extend if you need me. I look forward to my work with you soon, Ma'am Sir. Thank you and God bless.